Hello, amazing people. Welcome to another episode of the Skincare Mask, where I tend to talk about different good and affordable products that you can use or buy on a budget that would help you treat any kind of skin issues you're having, ranging from dark spots, pimples, skin irritation. Today's video, I'll be talking about how to treat skin redness and also sunburns. So if this is what you would like to watch, stick with me up until the end, and please do not forget to subscribe down below and leave me a comment if you have experienced any of those things that I'll be mentioning in the video. So without much shenanigans, let us dive into the video. Before I go further, I would like us to talk about what are the causes of sunburn and different types of skin redness. Now, we know we have severe skin redness, and we know we have the mild skin redness, and we also have the kind of skin redness that we could call skin irritation, which can range from probably using a product for the first time, or a product that doesn't really go well with your skin at that time but does not go further to cause you any effect. I'm talking about the severe skin redness, where you have like a red patch on your face that even after weeks it doesn't go off, months it's still there. Some tend to have it especially by the side of their eyes, just right by here, and sometimes some can have it on their forehead, but it's so popular or common by the side of the eyes because this is the side of the face that is mostly exposed to the sun. It can also happen in any part of your body, but it's common with the face, like I just said, because the face is more exposed to the sun. So I'll be telling you why this happens, and that is because many times it can be caused as a result of using harsh products. Some people do not know products that actually work for them, and that is why when I make reviews on this video, I make reviews about products that have chemicals and are not really too harsh on the skin. Whether we like it or not, all these products we use, they all contain chemicals. But since you are able to read and look at the ingredients listed on the body of this product, it's advised you look at your skin, notice how it reacts to certain products when you use them. Are there particular product that when you use it actually reacts to your skin? If it does, take out time to actually read the ingredients in that product to see maybe there's a particular ingredient in that product that is irritating your skin. For instance, if there's an alcohol in that product, take out time. If you buy another product, look at that product and see if it contains alcohol. Use the product, see if it is the alcohol in that product that is causing you that effect, that reaction, probably sunburns or redness. So is number one cause is using harsh products with harsh chemicals. Generally, many of these lightning products all have ingredients that exposes your skin to sunburns, but it all depends, number one, on how you use them. Number two, how much do you protect your skin from the sunburns? So when you're using those products, it's advised that you look at your skin, notice your skin. What is your skin saying to you? Is your skin rhyming with the ingredients? Is your skin comfortable with the ingredients you're using? Does your skin react well to this ingredient? Also, some of the causes of this skin redness is always exposing your skin to sun without wearing sunscreen. Some of us who live in places that have high rates of sunshine, like that is really hot, forget that when you're going out you don't wear sunscreen and you use some of all these lightning products without wearing sunscreen. Why? You're actually hurting your skin because the sun actually contains some rays that when it comes in contact with your skin, it burns your skin, especially when your skin becomes so sensitive to the effect of the sun as a result of probably the product you use on your skin. It tends to make your skin very sensitive and more open to sunburn. So why you don't use sunscreen? It causes your skin to burn, it causes your skin redness and some other skin irritation. So this could be some causes of skin redness or burns, that is using harsh products or not wearing sunscreen when you're going out, be it during the summer or any time of the day. Even when the weather feels cold, it's advisable to use sunscreen before going out. How do you prevent the effect of sunburns or skin redness from occurring on your skin? The first step to do is avoid using products with harsh chemicals. What I call harsh, or what might be harsh to me, might be okay for another person. So it is advisable you watch your skin. There's a certain percentage some ingredients should have, or some creams should have. Let's say like the kojic acid. For some people, it might irritate their skin if at all kojic acid is in it. But for some people, that is perfect for their skin. So Like I said, what is harsh for me, like when it comes to skincare products, might be normal to another person. So it's advisable you watch the kind of ingredients in a cream and see if they all work well in your skin, or if it's the kind of one that irritates your skin. And if it's not the kind of one that irritates your skin, do well to use it with moisturizing products. Secondly is, if you notice that the product is causing you redness or sunburns, it's advised to discontinue use and let your skin regain its balance by itself. Then you can go forward to begin to look for a product that will work for you. And the next thing is also treat the skin with milder products. Don't go on using more harsher chemicals. Let's say you use a product that contains maybe salicylic acid, or a product that contains niacinamide. These products are products that are all involved in skincare. They are good in their own ways, but they are good for some particular type of skin. Some are good for the oily skin, some are good for the dry skin. But in our bid to, want to treat our skin, want to get that smoother skin, that healthier skin, we go on just using products even without reading them, or know how to, combine them with product that will not cause our skin to irritate. So let's say you use a product that, I'm just giving an instance, you use a product that contains niacinamide or salicylic acid. I'm just giving you an instance, and it irritated your skin. Don't go on using that product. When you stop using it, don't go on using product again that has another harsh thing, like maybe the kojic acid. Why? Because kojic acid on its own is advised when you even use it to shower, because soaps or shower gels are wash off products, so they don't tend to irritate your skin as much as the stay on products on your skin, which can come in form of lotions, body lotions, body creams, or face creams. You should go on to using milder products, which are like moisturizing face cream that has natural product like probably argan, olives, almond, cocoa butter, shea butter. You go on to use more milder product. This product will help your skin to be calm, to stay hydrated, and to begin or start the healing process for your skin. You don't need to go on continue to use lightning or harsh product, because when your skin begins to irritate, these products can all be categorized as harsh products. The kojic acid, niacinamide, salicylic acid, um, hyaluronic acid, and even hydroquinone. Some level of hydroquinone are in some creams, but not really in high percentage. So when you're actually treating skin redness or sunburn, it's advisable to stop this range of product or this range of ingredients I just mentioned, because they help to lighten your skin. And in that process, while some are treating black spots, treating dryness, treating flaky skin, some tend to even peel your skin. So some people have actually reported mild peeling from salicylic, which is not really bad, because it just helps bring out the renewed skin. Like, it helps to renew your skin, peel off the dead skin cell, and revealing the new and fresh skin. So you see why you don't need those ingredients when you're treating sunburns and skin redness, because it will only trigger it. Okay, so what you need to do is to use a product that will balance the skin. Just keep your skin hydrated and help to start healing your skin at first, even if it means you getting a lot darker than you used to be. So long as you're in the healing process and this product helps to heal your skin completely, then you can now begin to look for a product that will naturally gradually begin to smoothing or lighten your skin gradually. Okay, so it's always advised to use or treat your skin with milder products. Okay, don't go overboard with treating your skin when you know you're just trying to recover from your skin redness or sunburn. Don't use harsh chemical, because it will only keep triggering it when you're trying to treat it with a lot of harsh chemicals. Okay, and another way to prevent and to treat sunburns or skin redness is to always use your sunscreen. Always use sunscreen, guys. It can never be overemphasized. Sunscreen along the line has really helped me. I used to be adamant about using sunscreens before, but I learned the hard way, because I exposed my skin to a lot of sunburn, a lot of sunspots, like, which when it begins to eat deep into your skin, it becomes more difficult for you to treat. It takes more time for you to treat it. So until I started learning how to use sunscreen, that was when my sunburns began to reduce and began even clearing. And then that was when the sunspots as well began to stop. So they all stopped and they started healing gradually. Remember when you have spots on your skin and you're going out under the sun, what does the sun do to your skin? It will only help to darken those spots the more, because the sun actually is a way of darkening your skin because it's very hot. It has a ray that when it comes to contact with your skin, it darkens your skin, and some people has even said that it results to cancer, or the research has it that exposing your skin always to sun can lead to skin cancer. So imagine you're having dark spot on your face and you used cream on your face going out, you didn't even protect your skin from the rays of the sun. What do you expect? It will only make those spots on your face, even if they were lighter, but the fact you aren't using any sunscreen, it will only make it darker. So that is why it's advised always use your sunscreen once you start to treat, or once you want to prevent or treat sunburns and skin redness. Do not skip using sunscreens. It is very important. If you have not started using your sunscreen, now is the best time to start. If you're still thinking about it, think no more. Start looking for where to get your sunscreen and start protecting your skin against the harshness of the sun. Remember that the face sunscreen you use on your face is not the one you use on your body. If the sunscreen is for the face, buy a sunscreen for your body, or you can buy a sunscreen that can be used for both face and body. The sunscreen is not meant only for the face. Using sunscreen is not only for your face, it's also for your body. But of course, many times we pay more attention to using only to our face, which is not generally good when you ignore your body and concentrating only on your face. So do well to always pay attention when using sunscreens on both your face and your body to help prevent sunburns, and it can also lead to signs of early aging, skin wrinkles, and sunburns. So do not expose your skin to so much effects or the rays of the sun. Okay, so these are the causes of skin redness and sunburn, and what I've mentioned in this video are the possible ways you can treat them without further hurting your skin or causing your skin any further damages. So if you found this video really helpful, please do well to like this video, turn on your post notification bell, and of course follow me on my Instagram page. So tell me, have you ever suffered from skin redness or sunburns? How were you able to treat it? What were the steps you took in order to be able to clear out your skin redness and sunburn? Please let us interact in the comment section, and thank you so much for watching.